We got more packages from TikTok. Y'all, I told y'all they sending me stuff like crazy. So make sure you follow my TikTok page. Make sure you check out my stories. And more than anything, make sure you're clicking the links. I really do appreciate the support, y'all. That's how I get sales is by you clicking my affiliate link to purchase the products. Even though I know some of y'all will look, y'all will click, and y'all will go buy with somebody else. That's cool. Those who rock with me, y'all. Click the link if you see something that you like. I'm not going to promote anything that I personally don't use or don't like. And I'm going to keep it 1,000% real. So if you want to save your money before you even purchase anything, you have some questions, make sure you let me know. Y'all, how cute is this little bag? I feel like I have to go find me and Melody some matching Crocs or some cute little sandals to go with this. And this would be so cute for like a pool day or a beach day. I can't wait. It is so cute. Okay, so this company right here, Intense Old, I think I'm saying it right. Y'all, they love me bad. They send me so many fragrances. And when I tell you they smell so good, they smell so good. So this is a new scent that they sent me. Oh, a big one too. Oh my gosh. Pink blush. Look at this. Got the little bow on top. How cute. Okay, let's get into the smell. Ooh, I felt so fancy doing that. I love this for me. I love gifts already. So I promise y'all, with them sending me so many free samples, it's like just an unlimited amount of gifts. And y'all, look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh, look at how it's sitting pretty in that box. Oh my goodness, how cute. Okay, let's see if I can get this up out of here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this. Okay, I can't wait to smell. I can't wait to smell it. Because the packaging and the box and the bottle, and it's so heavy too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know it's good when you start reading the box. When you go back and read the box, like, wait, what scent is this? It's pink blush, but oh, put this on when I walk past my husband. Oh my God. Like, I really can't even explain it. It just smells edible. Like, it smells so pretty. Like, you have to be pretty to wear this, to smell like this. It smells like candy, but then at the same time, it smells like I can't even explain it. It smells so good, like almost like this is a pretty in pink, like pretty girl scent. I'm so serious. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now I know what's in this package. They reached out to me. It is the Basque and Leather Edge Control. Let me tell y'all, I already use this. I've been using this. I purchased this with my own money. And yes, it is good on locks. I can't wait to show y'all. I'm literally going to show y'all because I got to do a retwist. I washed yesterday. Um, I'm going to show y'all this. I'm going to show y'all this. It's the bomb. Okay, y'all. So we just got back from the mailbox. Look at my girl. We just got back from the mailbox, and guess what? What was it, Mama? Another package. That same company sent me another scent. So I still have that last one on. So I'm gonna wait to do a review on this one, but let's just open it and just see what it looks like. Okay, so they sent me a cocoa musk, and It's crazy because they had already sent me a cocoa must before. You can find that review on my page, but it looks like they switched up the bottle. So let me show y'all. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. So gorgeous. So it looks like kind of a bigger bottle. If y'all remember, this is that scent that I was saying will pair very well with like your cocoa butter because it smells like vanilla and cocoa, and it smells just so good and so sexy, kind of like like an adult sexy cocoa butter. I'm so serious. It smells so good and like chocolatey to me. So, yeah, and this one is unisex. I tried to get my husband to wear it because I'm like, ooh, this will go good with like your natural scent. So, yeah, I'm gonna do a new review on the new bottle. So this will be on my TikTok.